Hi, my name is Cinderella, and I have quite a tale to tell you. But first, let me set the scene. I live with my stepmother and two stepsisters in a large house. Unfortunately, they don't treat me very well and make me do all the chores. Today, I'm going to share with you the remarkable story of how my life changed forever one magical night. One day, an invitation to a grand royal ball arrives at our house. My stepsisters are thrilled because they are eligible to attend. As for me, I just dream of going and escaping my monotonous life for a while. With my fairy godmother's magical assistance, I find myself wearing a beautiful gown and glass slippers. Now, here comes the exciting part. As I arrive at the ball, I am transported into a world of enchantment and grace. The whole palace is adorned in shimmering lights and magnificent decorations, and the sound of music fills the air. I feel like a princess. I make my way into the ballroom, where I encounter the charming prince. We dance and talk, and I am in awe of his grace and kindness. But just as things are going splendidly, the clock nears midnight. My fairy godmother warns me that my enchantment will fade away when the clock strikes 12. In a rush, I leave the prince, losing one of my glass slippers on the staircase. Desperate to see me again, the prince searches for the girl whose foot fits the glass slipper. Eventually, he arrives at my house, and my stepmother and stepsisters try to prevent me from trying on the slipper. They fear that I will steal all their happiness. But with sheer determination, I try on the slipper, and it fits perfectly. The prince recognizes me, and he whisks me away to the palace, where I become his forever love. My dreams come true, and my life changes from that moment on. Thanks for listening to my story. Remember, even in the most challenging situations, magic can happen, and dreams do come true.